Hey, everybody! Welcome to our channel, friends. In this video, let's talk to you about how you can enable voice navigation in Google Maps app on your device. Please don't forget, friends, before our video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and also please put your likes and write your comments after watching. So let us get down to today's topic with you, friends. First of all, find and open the Google Maps app on your device. Now, you will need to tap on your Google image on the top right. Next, select Settings, and then Navigation. And here, what do you need to do? First of all, mute the sound of the tooltips. The next thing you can do is to turn the volume of the tooltips to maximum. Also, friends, you will need to turn on Bluetooth playback and also Bluetooth playback phone calls. Now the final step. Swipe please from the top to the bottom of your screen. And here, please set the sound on your phone to maximum in case you might not be able to hear your navigation and Google Maps prompts. That, friends, is the way to quickly and easily enable voice navigation in Google Maps. I really hope this video has been helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give your likes, and also write your comments. See you, friends!